Pocket option versus pocket broker comparison. Which trading app is better? If you're looking for a simple, fast, and accessible way to trade online, two platforms you'll come across are Pocket Option and Pocket Broker. They're often confused because of their similar names, but they're actually very different in design, features, and trading style. Pocket Option focuses on quick trading, a beginner-friendly interface, and social features, while Pocket Broker offers a more traditional trading environment with more assets and analytical tools. Whether you're a casual trader or someone wanting a more complete market platform, this breakdown shows which one fits your trading style best. Pocket Option is known for its simplicity, speed, and easy entry into short-term trading. It's built for traders who want a straightforward interface where you can jump in quickly, place trades in seconds, and use social elements to improve your results. Why users like it? Fast, clean UI, perfect for beginners. One-click trading and quick expiry options. Social trading features, copy trades, leaderboards, signals. Low barriers to entry. Easy deposits and withdrawals. Large range of assets, forex, crypto, indices, commodities. Available on web, mobile, and desktop. Pocket Option is built to be fast and approachable. It's not designed for deep technical analysis, but rather quick decision-making and high-paced trading. Best for beginners and casual traders who want fast-paced, simplified trading with social features. Pocket Broker is a more traditional multi-asset trading platform that gives you deeper control, more tools, and a broader trading environment. Instead of speed-focused trading, it emphasizes full analytical control, longer-term positions, and portfolio management. Why users like it? Large selection of tradable assets including stocks, forex, crypto, and ETFs, candlestick charts, indicators, multiple timeframes, and analysis tools. More control over order types and trading strategies. Stable platform built for strategy-based trading, better suited for traders who want to diversify. Stronger tools for planning, charting, and execution. Pocket Broker gives you a more professional trader feel, with tools you won't find on simplified trading apps. It's ideal for users who want more control and flexibility, rather than quick expiry trades. Best for traders who want deeper analysis, diversified assets, and a more advanced trading environment. Feature comparison. Choosing between Pocket Option and Pocket Broker depends entirely on how you prefer to trade. Pocket Option is built for traders who want a simple experience with quick decisions, fast trades, and easy-to-use social features. It's extremely beginner-friendly and great for users who don't need deep charting tools. Pocket Broker, on the other hand, is designed for long-term, structured trading with more assets, stronger analysis tools, and a more professional interface. Pocket Option and high fast, fun, simplified trading. Pocket Broker hiked serious analytical and multi-asset trading. Both are effective, but ideal for different trading approaches. Final thoughts. If you want a fast, beginner-friendly trading experience with social features, Pocket Option is the best choice. If you want a more complete trading platform with deep analysis tools and broader asset access, Pocket Broker is the stronger option. Bottom line, Pocket Option. Quick, simple social trading. Pocket Broker. Analytical, diversified professional trading. Both platforms offer value. Your best choice depends on whether you prefer speed and simplicity or control and depth.